Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Drive Taste to Live. Today we are in Auroville. Auroville is an experimental township located in Pondicherry, Tamilnadu. Auroville is situated around 15 kilometers from the city of Pondicherry, and visiting timing is from 9 am to 5 pm. And it was founded in 1968 by Mirra Alfassa. Auroville wants to be a universal town where men and women of all countries are able to live in peace and progressive harmony. The purpose of Auroville is to realize human unity. They have created this exhibition. You will get to know what is Auroville and the purpose of Auroville. Matrimandir, which simply means the Temple of the Mother or Mother Shri. It welcomes the people to practice integral yoga so that they can silently concentrate on their inner self and discover mental peace from within the body. It is considered as the most important building of the Auroville township, and it provides its visitors with a kind of experience that you just cannot forget for a lifetime. Once you enter inside, you will feel a different world, and its surroundings covered with many trees and plants. Matrimandir is equipped with a solar power plant. This is big banyan tree. See these branches, how it spread across this area. Matrimandir and its surroundings covered with the gardens in the centerpiece area. In the middle of the town is the Matrimandir, and it is a symbol of divines. Matrimandir does not belong to any particular religion or section. Inside the central dome is a meditation hall and also known as inner chamber. And is surrounded by the manicured gardens. This place is really very calm and peace. Here many shops, handicraft and food courts also there. So now I am going to order some food. In this shop, I have ordered brahmi ball and ragi soda. This is very healthy and tasty food. And also we have ordered carrot spiced cake and veg burger. Here many handicraft shops, cloth shops and exhibition center also there. 2 hours we can spend nice time here. Have you ever visited Auroville? Then share your experience in comment section below. I hope you have liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. And also you can follow us on Instagram. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.